Hey man, hello everybody. This is Herman, your everybody. Welcome back to my channel. So, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody is emerging from this hot weather. I know that in the Philippines, we all know that there are two weathers, hot and hotter. Today is a Saturday. Let us all begin this work weekend, long weekend, vacation weekend, for having a big heart and gratitude. So for this video, of course, we are planning to go to Baler. I am with my friend, Essie, and that is Kat. Hello, Kat. Say hi to the vlog. Hi, I'm vlog. And that's AJ. Okay, so as you could see, we are inside the car. So, yes, we are still running. Our driver is driving us too fast. A big round of applause to him. Yeah. Hi, AJ. Tell us something about the experience having that kind of, your pedal. You have to put the pedal to the metal. Si AJ ay taga Davao del Sur, right? Yes. So, ito na nga, nasa KFC kami. Katapos lang namin kumain. So, we are satisfied for our late breakfast, and we are now heading to Baler. And we have a new driver, Kat.
Hi!
Yes. So this would be the second set for driving. Second set talaga. Hey AJ.
Hey bitches.
Hey bitches. Yeah. So ito na nga guys, alis na kami and we are still waiting for the for our driver to compose herself. Because it will take 30 minutes for her to master the component of this car. Component. So ito na nga guys, nasa gitna kami ng daan. Kanina pa kami naghihintay dito. At least we are moving on now. So yeah, moving on with our lives with this kind of weather. As with everything that is going on, considering the hot weather that we have now, we could see that we are still surviving. And as you could see, my driver, we have another driver. Yeah, back to the original driver, AJ. So ito na nga guys, we are planning to go to Baler nga. And since mainit yung panahon ngayon, so napag-desisyon na naming maligo na lang sa dagat. We just have to enjoy our lives. Why are you laughing? Guys, do I look like a dinosaur to you? Cat. Yes, how does it feel being in the front seat? He is enjoying the moment. Have your moment. Go AJ. Yes, oh so sweet. Have a room. Guys, so malapit na kami sa, what do you call that one? The lake? Dam? Pantabangan Lake or Pantabangan Dam? done. That's it. That's the trademark of Aurora, and that's the dam. And as what you have see, there's only a one lane here. Nakakatakot daanan, but still manageable. And ito yung dam. But this is a lake. That's it. Ang dami sigurong taong gumagamit nito. That's a Carabao. Ang init. Akala ko sa Manila lang yung init, pero hindi pala. Hanggang dito din pala. As you could see, there's only a one lane in this area, but still manageable for those na mga dumadaan na sasakyan. So you must have to be, you must have to be attentive when you are going to this lane. And there is a Carabao over there. Naliligo siya. And I don't even know what are those things. I think those are for people who are living in this area. Is that, ano to? Ano ba yan? Man-made ba yan? Or talagang lake yan?
2,000 years later.
Searching for your trace in the dark, losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes. Your kisses burn my skin, I feel so empty inside.
Hey guys, so andito na kami sa Aliyah, which is our accommodation. So we've been traveling for more than 8 hours, considering na napaka-traffic ng dinaanan namin. And we also did some photo shoot. Yes, so finally we're here. Kararating lang natin. Hey ladies. So ito na nga. Finally. Ayan na. Welcome to Aliyah Surf Resort. Check-in muna tayo. Kinukuha yung sushi. And after this one, we are planning to have, I think, dinner. Sobrang init. So, as you could see, yan yung dagat. So, ito na nga guys. Paakyat na tayo. Nasa second floor yung room namin. Okay. Yes, okay. Welcome to our room. Mahangin ate, no? O, front beach tayo guys. So, ito yung bed. At ito yung balcony natin. Ay, hindi pala ganito. Oh my God! Ay. Hi guys! Say hi to the vlog! Yes, welcome to Baler! And as you could see, there are a lot of people enjoying the sea. Ayan, medyo walang masyadong alon ngayon. Hindi masyadong malakas yung current. So, ito na nga guys. We have 2 beds. Good for 4 persons. That's the balcony. Ito yung CR nila. Ayan. As simple as that. There's no something special. Bakit may handaan sa baba?
Welcome you.
Kasama ba tayo dyan? So, nandito kami sa Yellowfin Bar and Grill. So, for our dinner, we have the this one, the fern salad ba yan?
Yes, fern salad.
And that one is the blue marlin. And we are still gonna wait for the other food. And for the main time, we have mani.
Adobong mani.
And masyadong malagkit na yung sa pakiramdam kasi masyadong mainit ngayon. Mainit sa labas.
Mainit, friend.
Ang layo ng nilakbay namin para lang makarating dito. But still, it's worth it kasi parang masarap naman yung mga pagkain nila. And we are so excited kasi lahat gutom. Ang feeling ko masarap naman to kasi sabi nga nila, wala hindi masarap na pagkain sa taong gutom. Ang alam ko lang laging busog dito yung iba namin kasama dyan. Ayan. Lagi may minumukbang yan. And this one. And this one. Hey, Kat. Anong pinakamasarap para sa'yo?
Nakasalap sa amin.
Ano yung nagustuhan mo sa mga putahe na binigay sa atin?
Ano gusto ko yung liempo,
Liempo.
yung taco salad.
Oo, masarap to.
And, yun po.
Ito masyadong matigas yan. Hindi ko nagustuhan. Ay, masarap yan. Kaso wala pumapansin.
Buset, malambot.
Yung pusit, malambot yung pusit nila eh. So ito na nga, naglalakad kami sa tabi ng dagat.
Nabusog kami.
Kaya busog na busog, kaya masakit sa tiyan. We are just feeling the moment while walking in the sea. In the sea talaga. So it's 6:30 in the evening and still you could see that parang hindi pa masyado madilim. Ang liwanag nga eh. 6:30 tapos you could observe na parang hindi pa masyado madilim. Diba? Iba na talaga yung panahon ngayon. Dati pag ganitong mga oras masyadong madilim na eh. Tapos ang sarap sa pakiramdam lang kasi nakapaa kami ngayon and you could see na wala akong tsinelas. Ang sarap pakinggan yung tunog ng dagat. Tapos naglalakad ka na nakapaalang. Ang lambot ng lupa. May mga nagbabantay dito eh. Tapos yan, dito lang yung mga accommodation. Pwede kayong tumuloy dyan. Yan. Ayan. Tapos we are planning to have a night swimming. Sana matuloy.
Wala, ang saya.
Ang saya.
Relaxing.
Relaxing.
Yeah.
Anong pakiramdam na nadiligan ka na naman ng dagat?
Baliw.
Ha? Sabi nga nila, ang babae daw, pag hindi nadidiligan ng dagat, natutuyo yan.
Natutuyo.
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 Nado-dry. Something like that. At ito yung isa naming friend. Nagmumuni-muni na naman. Iniisip na yung naiwan niyang aso. Kawawa naman yung aso niya.
Harper at sea.
Si Harper at saka si Hugo.